Thank you for choosing the Easee charging system. The product consists of the following parts: a backplate with the tool for opening the charger attached to the back, the charge berry, which includes electronic overload protection, a power meter, an integrated RCD and an embedded SIM, a front cover, an installation kit, and manuals. One of the key functions in the Easee Charger is the patented load and phase balancing system that is embedded into each and every charger. This, combined with an intelligent queuing system, makes it possible to install up to 101 charging robots on the same circuit. This will allow you to utilize up to 100% of the available energy and reduce the needed capacity by up to 90%. This is possible because all charging robots will automatically set up an Easee Link radio network for communication and load balancing on each circuit. In order to perform load balancing between fuses, all charging robots must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Please note that the local Wi-Fi network must be connected to the internet for software and access settings to be automatically updated. If the charging system is offline, the load balancing and phase balancing will operate unaffected. The local RFID authorization for known users will continue to work. In offline periods, the charging robots will keep track of charging sessions and power consumption for each individual user and store it locally until the units come back online. With Easee, you can plan for up to 101 charging robots on the same circuit. To enable simultaneous charging of all cars, we recommend up to 25 charging robots per 63 amp fuse on a 400-volt TN network. Alternatively, up to 15 chargers per 63 amp fuse on a 230-volt IT network. Note that the maximum allowed fuse value for a circuit is 80 amps, and that short circuit current must not exceed 10 kA. With up to 25 chargers on the same circuit, no additional infrastructure is required, not even Wi-Fi. All critical functionalities will work both offline and online due to the Easee Link technology. In order to get software updates, increased redundancy and full functionality when using the Easee app or portal, we recommend installing a local Wi-Fi network. The Easee Charge portal can be used as a tool for managing the entire charging site. In the portal, you will be able to monitor the status of the charging robots, see and invoice power consumption for each unit, and perform troubleshooting if needed. The Easee Charge portal is free and will be continuously updated with new functionality. Start with inserting the two ends of the included tool into the two openings. Pull until the front cover comes loose. Push the connector forcefully upwards until the charge berry disconnects. Mount the backplate in the preferred height and use the screws in the installation kit and appropriate wall plugs. The backplate must be installed on a surface that covers the entire back of the charger. Turn off the power before continuing. We recommend using a 3-phase cable to make the installation ready for future use. The product is designed for cable entry at the top. It is taken into account that water can enter if the gaskets do not seal completely. The cable entry can also be from the back or the bottom. Fit the sealing plug. Strip back all cable cores, allowing 12 mm of exposed conductor. If the cable has flexible conductors, it is recommended to use cable end sleeves on all wires. Secure the outer insulation of the cable with the strain relief. Close all holes not used for cable entry with sealing plugs. Follow these instructions to connect the backplate to different power grids. TN1 phase, TN3 phase, IT1 phase, IT3 phase. Tighten the screws with a torque of 5 Newton meters. Inspect all terminations before mounting the electronics. When multiple charging robots are installed, each termination port can be used as a connection point for chargers on the same circuit. The units will automatically shift between phases when they are connected to the same fuse and a 3-phase cable, assuming all phase connections have the correct sequence throughout the installation. The installed Easee backplates are now ready to be configured. Now it is time to open the installer app on the phone. To create a new charging site and configure one or more backplates, fill in all the required information. Select an operator for the site to use. Here we are selecting Easee as an operator, but this can be set to any integrated partner of Easee if another operator platform is preferred. Fill in the fuse size for the building's main fuse. Fill the fuse size for the charging circuit and give it a name for ease of identification. It's important to double-check both Wi-Fi name and password before continuing, since it is not possible to verify this before the charge berry is attached. The master backplate is now ready to be scanned. The backplate that you scan first will automatically be set as the master backplate on this circuit. For better and more stable communication between the master and the secondary units, you should pick a backplate in the middle of the installation. When the scan animation is displayed, hold the phone's NFC scanner near the round memory tag on the back cover. The location of the NFC scanner may vary depending on the phone you are using. On an iPhone, it is most likely located on the top of the phone, while on an Android phone, it may be located at the bottom, center, or top of the phone, so be sure to try different placements if it does not scan the first time. All the information about the installation setup will be stored in each backplate's memory tag. You will get a confirmation when the master backplate was successfully programmed. By naming the physical position of the backplate, you will get a better overview of the installation in the installer app and Easee portal. The naming can be related to the parking lot number or be an intuitive naming convention. If there are more backplates installed on the circuit, you can easily scan the next one by pressing "Scan another," and once again hold the phone against the NFC tag of the next backplate in the installation. Continue to add the remaining backplates on the circuit. All the backplates must be programmed in order for the load balancing to work. Make sure that you have scanned and configured all the backplates on the circuit. If you have installed more circuits, you can continue and press "Add another circuit," and repeat the process. Otherwise, you are done, and the site information can be uploaded to the Easee cloud. Once the site is uploaded to the cloud, you can transfer the site ownership to the assigned customer. All you need is the customer's phone number. The customer will be notified by SMS or email and must accept the invitation before the ownership will be transferred. You will still have access to the site after the new owner has accepted, and you can then remove yourself if you don't want to keep the access. The configuration is now completed, and you will get the full site overview in the app. Now the power can be turned on. All secondary units will have one white LED lit when in standby. When they are not able to connect with the master backplate because it is empty, this one LED will be flashing while it is searching. Now that all backplates are programmed, pick a random charge berry and mount it in the master backplate. This charge berry will power up and indicate its status as a master by having two white LEDs lit. Plug in the remaining charge berries or leave some empty to establish an Easee-ready installation. At any time in the future, an Easee-ready installation can be upgraded to a full-featured charging robot in just a few minutes with no electrician necessary. It is possible and affordable to prepare a complete charging site using only Easee-ready, due to the intelligent and patented backplate. In this case, the Easee Cloud will automatically appoint the master charger once it is installed. Each PIN code sticker is now removed and stored in a safe location. Hang the front cover at the top of the backplate and let it fall into place. Press the front cover above the connector until you hear a click. Bend the lower part of the rubber cover outwards, and screw in the last screw. The installation is now complete and ready to use. It's that easy.